Hey, parents, and welcome to a brand new learning adventure. We are going to supercharge your child's reading skills by turning phonics into this incredible hands-on game. So yeah, you can forget the flashcards. Today, we're building treasure boxes.
You know, this quote right here, it really gets to the heart of what we're about to do. This whole method is built on that powerful idea, moving beyond just looking at letters on a page. We're going to be creating real, physical connections in your child's brain that, you guessed it, help the learning stick.
All right, so here's our roadmap for this little explainer. We'll start with the big idea behind it all, then we'll gather our supplies for the mission, build our very first box together, learn the super fun sound hunt game, and finally show you how to take it to the next level. Ready? Let's dive in.
So, what is the big idea here? Well, we're basically shifting the entire learning process. Instead of your child just kind of passively looking at information, they're going to become an active collector, a sorter of sounds. Imagine this. Each of the 44 sounds in the English language gets its own little treasure chest. And whenever you and your child find a word with that sound, you make a little card for it and post it in the box. See, they're not just memorizing. They are building a physical, multi-sensory library of sounds that they can actually hold and own. Okay, it is time to gather your supplies. And please, think of this less like a shopping list and more like a toolkit for a treasure hunt. The best part is you probably have almost all of this stuff lying around your house right now. First up, the boxes themselves. And seriously, you don't need anything fancy here. Empty ice cream tubs, old shoe boxes, tissue boxes, they are perfect. Then just grab whatever you have to make decorating fun. Paint, crayons, colored paper, maybe even some glitter glue if you're feeling a little extra fancy. Okay, next, what about the treasures that go inside the boxes? Well, old cereal boxes are perfect for making some nice sturdy cards. You'll want some magazines or old catalogs for cutting out pictures, a good marker for writing the words, some highlighters to make the sounds pop, and a glue stick. Simple as that. And now for the main event. We're going to walk through building your very first sound box, step by step. And to make it super clear, we'll use the common B sound as our example. The whole process is really just 4 simple steps. We'll dedicate the box to a sound, create the first couple of cards to get things started, turn learning into this ongoing game, and then finish with the most important part, the posting ceremony. So, step 1, and this part is absolutely crucial. You have to do this together. When your child helps you paint the box or cover to pictures of balls or glue on buttons, they're taking ownership of it. This becomes their box. And of course, don't forget to write a big, bold B right on the front. Every great collection needs its first treasures, right? So you're going to create 2 master cards to start things off. Find a picture of a bird, write out the word, and then highlight the B. Then do the same thing for rabbit, but this time highlight the B. This is great because it shows the sound at the beginning and in the middle of a word. Now, this is where your daily life just becomes the classroom. When you're reading a book and you see a bear, or you're playing with a blue block, or buying butter at the store. Each one is a little discovery. Hey, that has the bus sound. Let's make a card for our box when we get home. It turns learning into this constant, really fun adventure. All right, now we're getting to the most important part of the whole game, the posting ceremony. I know it sounds formal, but this simple little ritual is where the magic really happens, and the learning just clicks into place. It's a super simple 3-part thing. So, once you've made a new card, let's say for the word ball, you hold it up, and together you say the sound, B. Then you say the word ball. And finally, the best part, your child gets to physically post the card right into the box. This little ceremony makes it a truly memorable event. And this quote just nails why it works so well. That physical action, pushing the card into the correct box, that's what solidifies the mental connection. They aren't just hearing the sound, they are physically sorting it, organizing it, and putting it in its proper home. So once your child has mastered a few sound boxes and they're feeling pretty confident, you can start to introduce some fun new challenges to deepen their learning and just expand the whole game. Hey, why stop at just cards? You can add small 3D objects to the boxes. Your B box could have a real button in it or a little blue block. Your K box could have a toy car. I mean, this just makes the treasure hunt even more tactile and way more exciting.
Here is a fantastic little game to check for understanding. Take 2 of your boxes, let's say the B
and the K boxes, and just empty all the cards and objects out into one big pile. Then, you challenge your child to sort all the treasures back into their correct homes. It's a really fun way to reinforce the uniqueness of each sound.
Now this is where the game gets seriously powerful, and it starts building a rock-solid foundation for spelling. It's no longer just about hearing sounds. It's about seeing all the different ways that those sounds can be written down. Let's just take the K sound as an example. So your child is going to collect cards for cat and kitten and duck and even school, and they will place them all into the exact same box. By doing this, they physically learn that all these different spellings, C, K, CK, even CH, are just members of the same sound family. I mean, that is a massive intuitive leap towards understanding spelling. Okay, so seeing this number, 44, it might feel a little overwhelming. 44 boxes, that sounds like a lot. But, and this is a big but, there's a crucial point to remember here. You are not making all of these at once. Please don't. This is a journey. It is not a race. You're going to build your collection of sound boxes gradually, just introducing a new one as your child really gets the hang of the last one. Start with one, then another. Let it grow right along with them. So the only question left is, where are you going to begin? Are you going to start with the B sound for ball, the SS sound for sun, or, hey, maybe the first letter of your child's name? The adventure is officially yours to start.